Cyrus the Great, a full life story. Some names in history burn like beacons. Cyrus is one of them, a man who not only created a vast realm but introduced a new mode of rulership and left an unforgettable imprint on many peoples. Today we will follow his life step by step, his family origins, his rise, his conquests, his policies, and the mysterious end. Cyrus II, commonly known as Cyrus the Great, was likely born around 600 to 580 BCE. He belonged to the Achaemenid line, son of Cambyses I, grandson of Cyrus I, and according to some traditions, a maternal descendant of Astyages, king of the Medes. Ancient traditions and later Greek accounts complicated the birth story, but modern scholarship places his origins in Anshan, today's Fars region. After his father's death, Cyrus became king of Persia. Around 559 BCE. Initially, he was a vassal under the Median supremacy, but his ambitions were larger. Through a blend of military process, political alliances, and exploiting internal Median divisions, he set the stage for Persian independence and expansion. The turning point came with the overthrow of Astyages of Media. Cyrus rallied allies, including defections among Median nobles, and ultimately absorbed the Median realm. This event marked the birth of the Achaemenid Empire, the first great Iranian empire with Cyrus at its head. Once his rule was secure, Cyrus turned west. Lydia, ruled by the fabulously wealthy Croesus, posed a major obstacle. A series of military campaigns, confrontations around Pteria, today's Cappadocia, led to Lydia's absorption into Cyrus's dominion. This expanded his reach into Anatolia and the Asian frontier. Perhaps his most famous achievement was the capture of Babylon in 539 BCE. Cyrus took the city with minimal destruction and immediately set about presenting himself as a legitimate and benevolent ruler in the eyes of Babylonian elites and gods. The conquest of Babylon effectively made Cyrus the ruler of the Near East. After Babylon's fall, a clay document known today as the Cyrus Cylinder was created. The cylinder presents Cyrus as a restorer of gods, protector of temple property, and returner of displaced peoples. It became a powerful symbol of Cyrus's image as a tolerant and restorative ruler, an image that later generations and modern interpreters would emphasize. Cyrus did more than conquer, he organized. Instead of enforcing a centralized uniform rule, he allowed a measure of regional autonomy under a system of satrapies, administrative provinces overseen by satraps, combined with central oversight. This structure, refined by later rulers like Darius, helped the empire remain stable with spanning a vast territory. Cyrus married Cassandan and had several children, most importantly Cambyses II, who succeeded him. Ancient sources depict Cyrus both as a shrewd ruler and a man who observed royal and familial duties. Distinguishing literary legend from historical fact requires care, but the image of Cyrus as a measured and respected king appears consistently. The circumstances of Cyrus's death remain debated. Babylonian documents and dated tablets indicate he died around 530 BCE. And that Cambyses II succeeded him the same year. Ancient Greek authors provide different tales. Herodotus reports a fatal confrontation with the Pasargadae and a queen named Thamyris. Other sources give different versions. Modern scholars therefore accept the approximate date around 530 BCE, but regard the exact circumstances as uncertain. Cyrus's legacy is immense. He pioneered a system of imperial governance that accommodated diversity. He was remembered as a liberator in some religious traditions, notably within parts of the Hebrew Bible. And his tomb at Pasargad endures a potent cultural symbol. Subsequent Persian rulers idealized his region. Many later states looked back to the Achaemenid model he initiated. Cyrus rose from a provincial king to the architect of an empire. He combined battlefield skill with political innovation, and he left a mark on law, religion, and administration that lasted for centuries. Whether remembered as a liberator or conqueror, his life shaped the course of Near Eastern history in ways few others matched.